Birds need the dark skies as well as all other animals and living things. The nocturnal skies are important for birds for migratory purposes and for some of their foraging. Many birds will navigate the night sky through the use of stars to move across and migrate from different locations. Birds such as crows, savanna sparrows, starlings, all use stars to navigate their way. And with the brightness around cities and different centers, it's causing a lot of confusion and difficulty in them finding their way. They take longer to go to a location, therefore using more energy and increases their stress levels. There's a number of other impacts that light has on animals or on birds, and that includes glow from spotlights. A lot of birds will start to congregate in these bands of light that shoot up into the sky. And because there's a lot of concern from predators that they can't see now that they're stuck in a band of light, they will continue to fly in those bands of light until complete exhaustion and resulting in death. Another impact for night skies is the use of lights on buildings, especially in city centers and different industrial areas, where lights are in office buildings. And when a bird is in a forest and they look at in the dusk or dawn parts of the evening, they will see light between the trees, and that is their safety zone. They fly between the trees so that they don't hurt themselves. But when they move towards a building, the light that they see from the building in between the concrete is thought of as safe space, just as if they were flying through the trees and will strike the building. In fact, over 100 million birds in North America die through these bands of light that reach up into the sky, and as well as lit buildings and different sources of light that are definitely impacting their survival. Maureen, Maureen, Luchinger, Luchsinger.